Hi, I'm Patrick. Scored a cat 100 percentile 6 times. Now, this particular video is to help and guide you with regards to cat preparation. So, what goals should you set for the month of March? So, basically, trying to set you an overall goal as to what you should do in the month of March. Okay, we'll break it up into sections. So, first, we'll talk about a quantity, mathematics. So, if you're starting a preparation in the month of March itself, so I would recommend that you do 5 chapters of mathematics in the month of March. Okay, at least 5 chapters in the month of March. Okay, if you've started it before, that means you've already done a few chapters based on preparation, then maybe you can do 3 to 4 chapters of mathematics in the month of March. Okay, so okay, also depends upon how long, how short the topics are, etc. But yeah, there's a tentative schedule where if you're starting from March, do 5 chapters. There are approximately 20 to 24 chapters basically which are there in a month in the mathematics section. So basically, we are targeting somewhere around completing the syllabus by June and max somewhere July. So that's where you look at this particular schedule. Now coming to DILR section. Okay, if you look at DILR, if you're starting from March, then do 4 topics of DILR. I mean, pick up any notes, books that you have, take 4 topics and try to solve those questions in the month of March. Okay, and if you're done before, you can do 3 topics. That means if you've already finished a few topics, you can do 3 topics in the month of March. This is a target that you need to do. You can set your own targets more or less depending upon what you're comfortable with, but this is generally a target that you can keep. Because this will help you. Again, the plan is to help you complete your syllabus by the month of June and July. Okay, also apart from doing the topics in DLR, I would recommend that you solve 1 to 3 mixed sets of DLR during the week. The reason because in the examination you normally have this mixed sets of DLR. It's not pure DI, not pure LR, not pure one topic. It's a mixed set of questions. So I would recommend you to do this mixed set of DLR to help you to solve the DLR questions when you come to the mock level. Right. Apart from this, coming to verbal, I mean recommended that you can do vocabulary if you're doing other exams other than CAT. Okay, so any like if you're giving the NMAT and the SNAP and the ZAD exam, then you can do a little bit of vocabulary. Start with vocabulary. Okay, this is you can do it from maybe any word list that is available for you, apart including GRE word list or Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. Pick up a few questions from GRE word list every day, or any other word list that you have, or pick up the book on Norman Lewis and try to solve. The exercises in terms of verbal, you have verbal exercises, verbal notes. I think you should focus on April. Focus, use your March for reading because reading becomes very, very important and that creates a base for getting your verbal exercises right. So, my suggestion is March you focus on reading and maybe in April you can start with the verbal exercises. That is your notes for verbal. Apart from these 3 sections, what I do recommend is read. Target something around 2 to 4 novels during the month. So I've already come up with 4 novels that you should try to read in the month of March. You can look at a video for that. And depending upon the target will be depending on time available and the speed of reading. Okay, or how big the book is. So you can pick up any 2 to 4 novels in the month of March should be your target. Apart from that, I would recommend read 1 to 3 editorials every day based on the time available to you. Any newspapers, pick up one article at least, editorial page article, and read it. Also, read one article from any magazine, whichever you like. So, you like sports, right? Read sports. You like politics, read politics. Any magazine that you like, just read one article. Okay. Try doing that every day. I mean, if possible. If not every day, at least once in 2 days, try to record the or read the video, read the articles that should help you. And keep your own frequency depending on time available. I understand that some people may not have too much time, but yes, reading on a regular basis definitely helps. If you cannot read one article every day and editorial, then do it in alternate days. But ensure that you read once at least every day, either the editorial or the article. Next important is calculations. Try doing 15 minutes of calculations every day. Okay. Ideally, in this whole process, try to by heart tables up to 20, squares up to 30, cubes up to 12, reciprocals up to 1 by 12. Try to by heart it. So write in a piece of paper, stick it on the wall in front of you, and go through it once every day. Try doing that. Apart from that, try doing two-digit calculation, which includes addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Take random two-digit numbers, add, subtract, multiply, divide in your mind if possible. So try doing that. Okay. So initially you may find multiplication division difficult, but even if you do some approximations, I think that should be fine. Okay, try. Calculations are important. Work on your calculations. Also, I normally recommend to solve one puzzle every day. It could be anything. Sudoku is there, Kaku is there, Hidato is there. Just to keep you interested, try to solve one puzzle a day. You can pick up any other source for puzzles if you like, right? So this is generally helping you to make a plan for the month of March in terms of what you need to prepare for the month of March and to follow it. I'm sure it'll help you with regards to your overall preparation that is required for the CAT examination, right? So we'll come up with more informative videos that will help you in your preparation for CAT. So do subscribe to the channel and we will, try to come up with whatever videos possible. If you have any recommendation, any terms of any particular video that you're looking for, do let us know in the chat box and we'll try and help you with that. Right? Thank you.